Okay, so what you're gonna need to do is to right click first, go to new adjustment layer. I'm gonna trim the adjustment layer, this part and from this part. And then what I'm gonna need to do here is just add this effect to this adjustment layer. First one is motion tile, this one over here. And the next one is called fast box blur. And then here we just gonna add a keyframe to title center. And then at the end here, we just gonna move. I'm gonna move to this side.
Exactly like this.
Add a keyframe here to blur. Right around here, I'm just gonna right around actually here. I'm just gonna increase this, and then I'm gonna change here to horizontal and check this. And then right around here, I'll just let's press U as well. Sorry. Right around here, I'll just decrease this to 0. And now this is what we have. Okay, and if it's too slow, I'll play this. And it's kind of slow, or I can move the keyframes closer. And then something is important here to do is to highlight our keyframe. We're gonna right click and select here is, and then just drag the keyframes like this so you can get this movement, and you can hold Alt or Option. This way, using holding Option or Alt, you can drag your keyframes like this.